HoneyGain is a first of its kind application that allows you to earn a passive income. All of our internet connected devices have access to extra bandwidth that is not used from the Wi-Fi router or the 4G, 5G phone network. HoneyGain takes this extra unused internet bandwidth, sells it to verified companies and pays you for it. HoneyGain has both a mobile and desktop application that you can install on computers and mobile devices. First, you need to make an account and download the application from their website. Be sure to use our referral code, which is shown here and in the video description, to earn an extra $3 when you sign up. When you have made an account, you can then download the desktop version and sign in, and then the mobile version and sign in with the same account. Once you earn a minimum of $20, you can cash out directly into PayPal in dollars or pounds, or for a cheaper fee, you can cash out in cryptocurrency. Earning is passive, which means as long as the application is installed and your device is on, you'll be earning money. Opening the mobile application every day and completing the lucky dip will also give you extra points, earning you even more money. HoneyGain is one of the better paying internet sharing applications, so it won't take you too long to reach the withdrawal threshold. Happy earning.